Rosette's going to sing All Hail the Power of Jesus' Name.
All hail the power of Jesus' name. Let angels prostrate fall. Bring forth the royal diadem and crown him Lord of all. Bring forth the royal diadem and crown him Lord of all. Ye chosen seed of Israel's race, a remnant weak and small. Hail him who saves you by his grace, and crown him Lord of all. Hail him who saves you by his grace, and crown him Lord of all. Ye Gentile sinners, ne'er forget the wormwood and the gall. Go spread your trophies at his feet, and crown him Lord of all. Go spread your trophies at his feet, and crown him Lord of all. Let every kindred, every tribe, oh, listen to his call. To him all majesty ascribe, and crown him Lord of all. To him all majesty ascribe, and crown him Lord of all. Oh, that with yonder sacred throng, oh, at his feet may fall, we'll join the everlasting song, and crown him Lord of all. We'll join the everlasting song, and crown him Lord of all.
Okay, well, thank you, Rosette, for singing that for us. And this morning in our devotional, we talked about the fact that sometimes the Lord is silent, and we need to wait patiently upon him, and he will renew our strength and mount up with wings as eagles. May the good Lord be with you today, and especially